Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying essentials. The sensor must be clean and the forehead dry so readings aren't skewed. Once done, insert fresh batteries and confirm the battery icon is steady. Low power alters accuracy. Make sure you and the device acclimate to room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to avoid thermal drift. Now position the thermometer roughly 0.5 to 1 m, or as manufacturer states, aiming perpendicular to the center of the forehead to get a reliable first reading. You now perform the measurement. Hold the device steady at the specified distance, usually 0.5 to 1 m, and align it perpendicular to the center of the forehead to sample the temporal artery area accurately. If your thermometer offers single shot versus continuous mode, choose the mode the manual recommends for clinical reliability. Once done, wait between attempts and take 2 or 3 readings to confirm consistency. If numbers vary, average only consistent values, and note environmental factors that could explain discrepancies. You finish by recording the displayed temperature and comparing it to the clinical fever threshold, for example, around 38 degrees, and decide next steps. After use, gently clean the sensor and housing with the manufacturer-recommended wipe, power the unit off, and store it in a dry place away from direct sunlight to preserve calibration. If readings are inconsistent, wait about 10 minutes for re-equilibration and retry. If problems persist, replace batteries and repeat once more, before seeking repair or...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.